Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently the government of Canada has allowed international students or foreign students working in critical infrastructure and other essential services to work for more than 20 hours a week, even during normal in-session period as well. So after this, a lot of questions were asked that I do this job, am I eligible? I do this job, am I eligible? So after getting such things, I thought of doing some investigation. Like, of course, like if you're working somewhere and you think you could qualify under this, but because you are an international student, you would like to make some research, or you would like to make it 100% sure before you start working 20 hours, more than 20 hours a week, because nobody wants any risk on their visa and other conditions applied to them. So in front of you I have opened this official Canadian Government Public Safety Canada website, where I have a page guidance on essential services and functions in Canada during COVID-19 pandemic. So I have also shown you the link so that you can go and check it yourself. So here what it says, National Strategy for Critical Infrastructure defines critical infrastructure as a process, system, facility, technology, network, asset and services essential to the health, safety, security or economic well-being of Canadians and effective functioning of government. The strategy classifies critical infrastructure in Canada according to 10 sectors. So you can see, and it's been defined here. Now, essential services and functions by critical infrastructure sector. So this is a very good piece of information where you can find out whether you fall into this critical area or not. For example, a very common thing nowadays I am getting like related to food. So what it says, workers supporting groceries, pharmacy and other outlets such as a convenience or pet food stores that sells food or beverage products. So these are under essential. Restaurant employees necessary to support takeout and food delivery operations. Food manufacturing and their supply employees. So you can go through this link, you can read this whole page and you can find out if your job, if your role, whatever you are doing qualifies under this current exemption or not. Here is the page where the government has removed the barrier for international students working in essential services to fight COVID-19. So what it says, that the government removed the restriction that allows an international student to work maximum 20 hours a week while classes are in session, provided they are working in an essential service or function such as healthcare, critical infrastructure or the supply of food or other goods. So here they have defined the areas and here you have given the full description. So read it out very carefully, like just don't go with what I am saying, because I am just giving you an overlook, but it's your responsibility to read it carefully and understand. The intention of making this video is to show you the links and resources where you can actually find it out. Find it out yourself and then you should be good to go. So thank you guys.